Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to delete your comments on GitHub. So the first thing to do is to open your web browser, either if it was Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge or any web browser that you are using. After that you will need to go to github.com. And now we will need to create an account so we can be able to use the GitHub services. So basically all we need to do is to click on sign up and then it will redirect us to the sign up page. And now you will need to add your email, then gmail.com or any other email that you are using. You click on continue, you create a password. So if it was anything like that, you click on continue and then you will add a username, for example whatever the username was. Now you will need just to type yes or no if you want to have the emails and announcements. So click on no if you don't want to, and then you will need just to solve as a verification, you solve this puzzle. So we start this puzzle and the single object, we do like this, and then you will do like that, and then you will create an account. So basically after you create an account, all you need to do is to verify your email by having copying the code that will be sent to your email, and then you will just paste it here and you will be able to create a new account on GitHub. After that it will sign in you and you will have access to use the GitHub repository. And basically now all you need to do is to follow these simple steps. So now after you log into your GitHub account, we need to go to our repository, and basically you will need to have already a clone here in your desktop of your repository, and we will need to have like start a git bash command so we can reset those commits. So basically you will need to be already on your directory, and then we will need to start this command. So basically the first one will be git reset and then hyphen soft and capital head, after that tilde, and then the number of the commits that you want to reset. So basically this is just make it 2 or 3 in my case. Then you will click enter. So basically it's a reset, not a rest. And now we have this command. After that we will need to push this change in so we can have it on our actual repository. So basically all we need to do is to do a git push and then hyphen and basically push origin, then the name of the branch, which is in my case the main 2. So it's main 2, then hyphen, and we are going to force this push, and we click on it, and basically we have pushing these commits or pushing these changes. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.